Hey friends, we have received error 1290. The SQL server is running with the secure file preview option, so it cannot be executed. So when did we receive this error and how to fix this issue? We'll see now. So let's connect to our MySQL instance. I've connected to the MySQL instance with the version 8.0.21, the community server. Let's connect to the information schema. So this is one of the information schema which contain your metadata. Now we'll try a select command with the concatenation to write into one of the test1.sql file. We are going to write few commands into a SQL file using select command, and we are going to retrieve the table name with C from all the databases. You can see here select concat and MySQL dump command, which we are going to redirect into test1.sql file. So with the name C percentage, all the table names from all the schemas we are going to retrieve. Let's see now. We have received the error 1290. We also need to see the error HY000. Now how to fix this issue? So this is one of the common error which we need to set this to the null value. So this parameter we can verify what variables where we have what values been set to. The default is set to var lib MySQL files. You can also find out from select command even. Now we'll set to null value this parameter, then we'll restart the service as well as from my.cnf file we'll configure and we'll restart this MySQL service. va/etc/my.cnf file. So my.cnf file will find here secure file preview. This is a parameter. We are going to set to null under MySQLD session. So enable this by uncommenting and save the file. Now restart your service using systemctl. Systemctl restart MySQLD will restart now. You can verify the service up and running using systemctl. The status of your MySQLD, it's running now. So let's try now whether the issue has been resolved running the same command. First try to connect your server. Now try to connect your schema, information schema. Got changed, the database got changed. We are connected to information schema database, and run your SQL command which redirects the commands into your test1.sql file. So now the issue is with one more error. OS error 13, permission denied. Cannot create write to file. So let's fix it this one more error. So to fix the permission denied error, we need to ensure that security enhanced Linux enforce is set to 0. is set to permissive so that we can able to write. Now let's see the file. More sysfs file system Linux and enforce is set to 1. So let's set to 0 now. Using echo command 0 for sysfs sc linux enforce. Once we set this, now we can try the same command connecting to your database. Is that issue fixed or not? So we have connected your database, we have changed to schema database, information schema. Now let's try running your select command. It's got done. The issue fixed. So 2 errors got fixed, permission denied as well as, and voice error, permission denied, and the one secure file the privilege by disabling, by setting it to null. Okay guys, done with 1290 error fix in MySQL.